Okay, everybody, let's get started. So the first thing we need to go over is the tools we'll need. You'll need some sort of scrubber to help clean your makeup tools. So mine is from Beauty Blender, a cup or some sort of container for the liquid cleansers. You also could use a solid cleanser. This one's from Juno Co. I also like to use Cinema Secrets. This is one of my secrets for deep cleansing my tools. As far as the liquid cleansers go, I'm going to use this by Beauty Blender as well as Dr. Bronner's Pure Castle Hemp Soap. So first I want to go ahead and start off with cleaning my beauty blenders. So I'm just, as you can see, using a little bit of the Cinema Secrets, a little bit of the liquid soap by Beauty Blender, and then I'm going to kind of use the solid soap just to help jump start the cleansing, run it underneath the water, and then I'm going to allow them to soak into the cup. And I'm going to allow this to soak for about 15 minutes, and that should do the trick. Now I'm just going to go ahead, and this is going to be a continuous loop just to let you guys know on how I clean my makeup tools. So I like to start off with my face brushes at first, and then as you guys can see, I have a whole bunch of dirty brushes. So what I like to do is use the solid soap for this. So you'll see me take a brush, I'll rub it against the solid soap by Juno Co. I'll then rub it against the scrubber by Beauty Blender, and then I'll continuously run it underneath the water until it's clean. And I literally repeat the process over and over until it's clean. So as you guys can see, you want it to look like that. So again, you're going to see me just cleaning different brushes throughout the tutorial, but I also want to use this time to tell you that you don't be scared of liquid cleansers as well as solid cleansers. You could use whatever you feel most comfortable with. My advice is to use something that is antibacterial. You should also be very mindful on how often you clean your makeup tools. If I'm doing a lot of makeup or wearing a lot of makeup, then I'll clean my own personal brushes once a week. If I'm doing clients, of course, I'll quick clean them in between clients, but then as soon as I get home, I clean them so they're prepared for the next client. So you just really have to use your judgment. If you use makeup a lot or wear makeup a lot, then consider cleaning your own brushes at the very least once a week. If you're not using or wearing makeup that often, then you can spread it out, but you don't want to allow it to go too far without you cleaning your makeup tools. Remember, makeup, a lot of makeup stays on your makeup tools, and you don't want that to be literally growing bacteria that you're transferring over to your face or your skin. So just really use your due diligence and use your best judgment on how often you should clean your tools. So also too, when it comes to smaller brushes such as like eyeshadow brushes, etc., you can bundle them together when you're cleaning them. However, my rule of thumb is if I use that brush heavily and I know that it has a lot of product, I tend to use them, clean them one by one. So this is, again, just a loop of the tutorial. Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Like, comment, and subscribe. While you're subscribing, go ahead and follow me on social media on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at the username Loverofshades. You can also check out my blog, Loverofshades.com, where I cover all things beauty, all things travel. I'm going to allow you guys to enjoy the rest of the video, but I will pop back in to show you one of my tricks before we finish. Okay, so one of my tricks is to take my Cinema Secrets cleanser, and I use this for when I have a stained brush or stained makeup tool, and I'll dip it straight into that Cinema Secrets cleanser, scrub as much pigment out as I can, and it normally removes the majority of the pigment from the makeup tool, as you guys can see here. So these are all my clean brushes. Now we're going to finish off with the beauty blenders and sponges. So you just want to go ahead and squeeze that excess soap out and then continuously run it underneath the water while squeezing until the product is all removed, as well as the soap. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will speak to you guys later. Bye.